God sent his son. They called him Jesus. He came to love, heal and forgive. He lived and died to buy my pardon. An empty grave is there to prove my Savior lives. God sent his son. They called him Jesus. He came to love, heal and forgive. He lived and died to buy my pardon. An empty grave is there to prove that my Savior lives. Because he lives, I can face my tomorrow. Because my Jesus lives, I don't fear anything. No, 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 no. Yes, I do. Yes, I know that he holds my future ahead, and my life is worth living just because.
I, Kgomo, McDonald Kgomo, in the presence of our dear friends and family, hereby engage you, Refiloe Duba, as my future wife. ring, it's a sample of my love to you. I promise to love you, protect you, encourage you, trust you. I love you unconditionally. I love you, my fiancé. Thank you.
Hallelujah. Oscar Valuya Muchiela Lord. You see, I can Muchiela Lona. Follow the Muslim. But I'm a cool man. I don't want to live. When I would yell. Relevant Jimu can never go below one of her. Bapesane, Umate Siche, Margesari, Asumalaw, but Sabadia Chiba Juana. Mosascarca Su and Emission no, that's a Miche, Nagasem Solo Blomole Siu, El Blomole now. Rachel, all the few appeal to say, Marelli so scava. And then Ona Lore Onwe, Oro Oye Misa, Le Bulomolo Silahona, Livinia Neosia Peso, Oscara Wanabotum Bonagaini, Dia Lore Ohona Laini, and Relevacheba Johone. And about Juana Kakabona, Aridi, with the mother. Nasi, I want to go Kisana, even I want to go Saranakamatsoho, Kiduema Kamuano, Carapella, or Lumudimu Bay, and now you are Abaya Treasure.
On the Pentecostal, those who wait on the Lord, they have waited patiently till the Spirit fell on them. That's why I say I will wait. Right here. I'm not gonna move, you see. I'll wait until your fire comes. Jesus. You see, I'll wait until you say that I should move. Nothing's gonna move me right here. Till your glory. Shekinah glory. I need the glory of God to come. I'm not gonna move right here. I will wait, I will wait, I will wait, I will wait. I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna wait. I'm keep on waiting right here, right now. I'm gonna wait right here. Yeah. Somebody wanna wait with me? Come on, wait. I'm waiting upon the Lord. I'm waiting for a direction from Him. I'm not gonna move right here. No, 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 no. I will wait. I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna wait. Oh, I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. I'm waiting upon Jesus. For the fire of God to come down upon me like on the Pentecostal day. Those who waited upon the Lord, they waited until the fire fell.
Go singing abonga, go msebenzi, ongenze.